Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can merge different cells in the Excel sheet. So without wasting time, let's start video. So if you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So guys, if you want to merge different cells, then I will show you how you can easily merge different cells. So here select different cells which you want to merge. For example, I want to merge these cells, then I will select these cells and you will see merge and across center. So click on it and here you can see different options: merge and center options, merge across, merge cells or unmerge cells. So if you will click on merge cells, then you can see these cells will be merged. So here you can also unmerge different cells. So if you want to merge across cells, then again select it and you will see a merge across option. So guys, in this way you can see a cell merge along the across side. So guys, in this way you can merge different cells in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.